How to fix too many friends error on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the too many friends error in your Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you encounter this error, here is the first thing you can try. You can simply long press on the Snapchat app icon and select App Info. And from there you can simply look for the option to clear data and simply tap on clear cache. And if clearing the cache doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to uninstall the Snapchat app. So simply long press on the app icon again to select uninstall and then reinstall the app from the Play Store or App Store. But if the issue still persists, it could mean that you have hit Snapchat 2500 friend limit. In this case, you will need to remove some friends before adding new ones. And to do that, you simply have to open Snapchat, and once you have opened the Snapchat, you simply need to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. And once you are in your profile section, you simply need to scroll down and tap on My Friends. And now you can long press on the friend that you want to remove and select Manage Friendship. And from here, you can choose to block, report, or remove them. And if you are sure you haven't reached the 2500 friend limit but still see this error, here is another solution. You can simply tap on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen, and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on Help Center. And from here you can simply report your issue to the Snapchat Support Center. And after reporting, the Snapchat team should review your request and get back to you. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix too many friends error on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.